So you know that feeling when an alien spaceship lands in your backyard and you're like, what exactly are you? So that was my first impression when I got my hands on the LiberLive stringless backing guitar. Yeah, let me show you. These are QR codes for the app. The app is very, very important, as you're about to see. Okay, so this is what you see when you open the package. Okay, you get a bag. And there are also straps in the charging cable, but let's get back to the bag. Now we're gonna get to what this is in a second, but you see this is the first familiar thing that we have, which is the guitar fretboard. And then you just unroll this. Okay, there's a protective layer here. All right, so this is the LiberLive stringless backing guitar. This is clearly an amp, but what is everything else? Okay, so first of all, it's pretty light. Okay, you have the manual here. Okay, let's put it away and turn this thing on. Now, as you'll see, you have stickers with instructions. So you long press the on button to turn it on, and you have LED lights lighting up. Now I already installed the app. Now I've connected via Bluetooth. I've taken off the stickers. Now all I have are lighting up LEDs wherever I press, and there's this pad which makes a hi-hat sound. Now there's this volume knob, and there are these two Guitar Hero-like buttons. Here you have the key. Okay, so we have C to B. Okay, now as you can see, now the first thing you want to do is you want to press any of the pads and press this and you strum. Oh, here's a chord. And here's where it gets interesting. I pushed the short lever to get a single chord, but if you push the longer lever, you actually get a picking pattern. Okay? And that's what they mean by stringless backing guitar. And this is just the beginning, because you can also use this as a piano, and you can use this as a bass guitar. It's not only a guitar, but let me show you something cool. You don't only push on the lever, you also pull on it. So push, pull, okay? Now, there are longer patterns. As you can see, there are many, many, many chord patterns. For example, this one. You see? So you push for half of it, and you pull for the second half if you want it. Yeah, you can, sometimes you only want half a bar, right? It's really nice, it's really easy to learn, and it's really easy to operate, which is the whole deal. That's the whole purpose here, for it to be very, very, very easy to play. Now I want to show you what I consider to be the coolest thing about this LiberLive stringless backing guitar. Okay, you can have a basic layout or a custom layout. Every time you change something, you have you have a little bit of a cue, a sound cue coming out. Okay, so you know that that the guitar received the signal. So the basic layout has the diatonic chords. Okay, the custom setting, the custom chord mapping, you have 3 different places to press the pad. So if you press the middle of the pad, you get 1 chord, okay? You get a major chord. If you press the upper part of the pad, you get a minor chord. And if you press the lower part of the pad, you get a 7 chord, a dominant chord. So you can actually do really cool stuff with this. See, you can actually play many different chord progressions and many different songs. And as I said, it's pretty easy to get used to it. I prefer the custom chord mapping with as many chords as possible. And you can spend a couple of days with this and then you'll have it memorized. Now, if you do want to strum or pick by yourself, there's a dedicated pad here. Okay, there's a dedicated pad with grooves for strings. And you can strum your own pattern or pick your own pattern. Okay, you can strum as well. And this is the muting pad. Okay, whenever you press the muting pad, the LED lights light up. So and you also have drums and bass for full backing. Okay, so here is the drum pad. Okay, you set the beat, you press it, and you strum. Okay, the bass will play whatever chord you're preparing to play. Okay, I chose a random song in the app. But remember, you can do it yourself. Okay? For example. Now, there's also a whole song library here that it teaches you how to play. You just choose the song and it shows you the colors of the chords. Okay, it's color coded here, you see? This one is blinking. That's because that's the first chord you need for this song. And basically, you just play it and play it according to the app. So it can also teach you how to use the instrument. The instrument and the app teach you how to use it, and you'll get used to it in no time. Now, I just love tinkering around with this because with the drum and bass going, I can actually create my own little backing track, and then I just loop it around and I play guitar on top of it, and then I add my own touch. So this is a backing band that fits in this little tiny bag. So you can shut it down and just close it just the way you opened it. It fits in the bag, and that's it. That's your backing band. That's your whole backing band right here. So thank you, LiberLive, for sending this awesome, nifty little instrument my way. I absolutely love it. I'm gonna make really good use of it, and I strongly advise you to get one. Okay, it's a really cool thing to have. It looks awesome, and it is awesome. It's a lot of fun. It's just a lot of fun, and it's a really nice, smart instrument. It's also very versatile once you understand how to operate it. And as I said, it takes 30 minutes to get used to pretty much everything that the LiberLive can do. So I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.